Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn a new lesson and the name of the lesson is True Friends. Children, it is on page number E31 from your English literature book. So please take out page number E31. In today's period, we are going to read the lesson and we will be covering explanation as well. Watch the video till end to understand this lesson. So, this chapter is about two friends. Children, before moving on to story, tell me, do you have any friends? Yes, of course. We all have. Yes, na children? And do you share your things with your friends? Yes. Do you help your friends? Yes, of course. We all should share our things with our friends and we all should help our friends too. So this lesson is about two friends, Anya and Tanvi. So let's start. Children, there are two students in this story named Tanvi and Anya. Tanvi is a new student in class and Anya becomes jealous of her. The story teaches us the value of being honest and kind. Now I am going to read first paragraph, then I will explain you. But before that we are going to do warm up activity. Children, you have to write this answer in your English notebook. Warm up activity. Make a list of any three things that you do for your friend. So you have to write these three things in your English notebook. Reading first line. Anya was a very studious girl. She always came first in her class. She was very good at art and craft. She was very helpful and kind. All her classmates liked her, and so did her teachers. Children, studious means someone who pays a lot of attention to what they are learning. In the first paragraph, she was very smart in studies. All of you are also very clever in studies like Anya is. Right, children? It is so clever in studies that it always comes first in her class. She is very clever in study. Anya is not only smart in studies but also in other subjects like art and craft. She was also very clever in art and craft subject. And children, her nature is very kind and helpful. She is always ready to help others. And she is very kind also. And from these habits, everybody likes her very much. And the teachers also like her very much. Next paragraph. When schools reopened after the summer holidays, Anya's class had a new member. Her name was Tanvi and she had recently moved from Mumbai to Hyderabad. In second paragraph, when school reopened after summer vacation, a new girl was added to the class and her name is Tanvi. Tanvi had a new member in Anya's class and Tanvi has just shifted from Mumbai to Hyderabad. Tanvi had recently moved from Mumbai to Hyderabad. So children, do you think Anya's and Tanvi would have been friends or not? So let's move on. Next paragraph. Anya started to feel sad because Tanvi started to overshadow her in everything. All the teachers liked Tanvi too. However, Anya tried to be friends with Tanvi, but she felt jealous. Slowly and steadily, she started to dislike Tanvi. Children, overshadow. Overshadow means to make someone seem less important. Children, in this paragraph, Anya feels sad. Anya started feeling very sad. She did not like Tanvi because Tanvi was overshadow her in everything. More than Anya's, everyone was giving importance to Tanvi. Anya was sad about this. Everyone was giving less importance to her. She felt bad about this, and teachers too have started liking Tanvi very much. She felt very bad about this. Anya tried hard to befriend Tanvi, but she did not like her. She felt jealous, and children slowly she began to dislike her. She did not like Tanvi. Next paragraph. One day their English teacher, Miss Malti, announced that there would be an essay writing competition. Everyone had to write an essay at home and bring it to class the next day. Miss Malti said that the best essay would win a prize, and Anya wanted to win. She wrote her essay but kept thinking that Tanvi's essay would be better than hers. Children, in this paragraph, her English teacher, Miss Malti, announced that there would be an essay writing competition. Miss Malti told all students about the writing competition, and the teacher told all the children to write an essay at home and bring it to class the next day. And it was also announced by the teacher whose essay would be best, she would be given a prize. Miss Malti said that the best essay would win a prize. Anya felt that she should get the prize. She wanted to win. Anya wanted to her essay to be the best and she would get the prize. Right, children? She wrote her essay well, but the only thing that was wondering in her mind was that Tanvi's essay is better than her essay. And Anya started thinking that Tanvi's essay is much better than her essay. Next paragraph. At school, the next day Anya decided not to go for the art class. She told her friends that she was not feeling well. The real reason she stayed back was to take a look at Tanvi's essay. After everyone had left, Anya took out Tanvi's essay and read it. The essay was much better than her own. She tore up the essay and threw it in the dustbin. Children, in this paragraph, let's see what happened at school the next day. Next day, Anya decided not to go for the art class, and she don't want to go art class. She is trying to miss art class. Anya started making excuses with her friends. She told her friends that she was not well. She was not feeling well. But the reason for not going to art class was something else. What was the reason? Why was not she going to art class? Can anyone tell me? Why did she want to be in class? Come on, tell me. Yes, because she was to take a look at Tanvi's essay. She had to read Tanvi's essay. That's why she was making a reason that she was not feeling well. The main reason for her to stay back in class was that she had to read Tanvi's essay. And she started reading Tanvi's essay, and in reality, Tanvi's essay was very good. The essay was much better than her own. She tore the page and threw in the dustbin. Next paragraph. During the English period, Miss Malti asked everyone to submit their essays. Tanvi looked for her essay but could not find it. She started to cry. Anya saw Tanvi crying and felt really bad at what she had done. She went up to Miss Malti and told her the truth. Miss Malti then told Tanvi what had happened. Children, in this paragraph, in the English period, Miss Malti asked all the children to submit their essay. After listening to the teacher, Tanvi started searching for her essay to submit but could not find it. She looked for her essay but could not find it. Why did Tanvi's essay not be found? Because Anya tore the page of that essay and threw it in the dustbin. That is why Tanvi did not get her essay and started crying. Anya saw Tanvi crying and felt really bad at what she had done. She was very sorry for her actions. Anya went up to Miss Malti and told her the truth. She told Miss Malti the truth, and then her teacher Miss Malti told Tanvi everything that Anya had done with her. Miss Malti told Tanvi what had happened. To Anya's surprise, Tanvi was not angry at all. Instead, she hugged Anya and said that she was sorry that Anya felt threatened by her. Anya to apologize. They become the best of friends after that. Both the girls could be seen playing together and helping each other all the time. Children, in the last paragraph, Tanvi did not get angry on Anya. Anya was very surprised to see this. She was not angry at all. She did not get angry even after finding out the truth. Rather, she hugged Anya and said that she was sorry that Anya felt threatened. Threatened means to make someone feel as if you will create problems for them. Anya realized her mistake. Now, children, both the girls could be seen playing together and helping each other all the time. Dear children, by caring and sharing, we come together, right? Yes, right, children. When we are in school, we always feel better and happy. We play as a team on the ground. We share a little corner over lunch and in break. Yes, na children? Dear children, please keep in your mind the story teaches us the value of being honest and kind. That's all for today. Bye children. Take care. Thank you.